Ain't got enough to pay the rent, can we delay the bills? Another dollar getting spent, another day to chill. I can't afford to play it safe, I gotta make a deal. It's gotta be another way, a Cadillac DeVille to take me way away, a steak, a plate, a meal. It's gotta be a great mistake the way the aces deal. I need some.
What's up, what's up? Show y'all how to do a rivet. Alright. So this is what we're gonna be riveting right here. Okay. Gotta get in here. It's a rivet gun right here. Alright. So just gonna see the different sizes, right? Just the size we need right here. Take this rivet. Put it in there like that, right? All right, let's go in. So you're just gonna put this rivet in the hole. Right. See that? All right, now you're gonna squeeze. Your first squeeze is going to get you tight. Your second squeeze is going to break it off. Ta-da! And that's it. You guys go out there. Now you know how to use that rivet gun that's been sitting in your garage, right? Take it, load it, use it. Holla.
Ain't got enough to pay the rent, can we delay the bills? Another dollar getting spent, another day to chill. I can't afford to play it safe, I gotta make a deal.